This is a lamp made by the Atlas Appliance Corporation, probably in the 1930s or 40s. The base of this lamp is made from a material that was invented in 1907. Bakelite plastic was invented by a Belgian-born chemist, Leo Bakelite. He created the world's first synthetic plastic accidentally by trying to produce a less flammable shellac for bowling alley floors. In order for this lamp to look good, it's going to need a full restoration. Everything is held together by these two nuts on the bottom of the lamp. In order to function safely, I'm going to need to replace the wire and possibly the light socket as well. With the lamp completely disassembled, I'm going to go over each part, beginning with the base. You might notice that the left side of the base looks shiny and the right side is dull. Well, let me introduce you to my new favorite product, Polyrol Oil. This is an amazing color restorer. More on that in just a few minutes. The lampshade is the worst part of this lamp. So I'll start with the easy stuff by buffing the metal parts on a soft wire wheel. I'll use this quadruple zero steel wool to clean up the socket cover and also on these two tubes. Now I can wash and dry all of the lamp parts. There are some scratches on these metal tubes. I'll mix up some black and brown acrylic paint to match the color. Once the paint dries, it's time to show you this amazing product called Polytrol by Owatrol. The cost of this oil is $25 for 16 ounces, but it goes a long way and it's worth every penny. I pour off a small amount. This is going to be more than enough to do the whole lamp. To apply the oil, I cut off a small piece of a towel. You can brush this stuff on also, but it does go on very thin. As I wipe it on this tube, you can see it shine, and this shine doesn't go away, but rather it dries hard and stays shiny. It's like a polyurethane for plastic, chrome, and metals. I just wipe on a thin coat on all of the lamp parts, but watch what it does to the Bakelite. That's just amazing. And it dries just like that with a hard protective coating. Polytrol, where have you been all my life? This lampshade is going to be the most difficult part of the restoration. The steel wool wasn't too effective, so I brought it to the buffing wheel, and here's how it came back. I'm not sure what this stuff is on the lampshade, but it looks like tape and residue that doesn't come off easily. After much scraping and sanding with whatever I could find, I finally get this thing ready to paint. I again mix up some brown and black paint to match the color. The color does look great, but the acrylic leaves it dull, so I'll spray it with some lacquer that I had laying around. Everything is ready to assemble. Maestro, spin up some lamp assembly music, please.
It sat alone, a ghost in the dust, a relic of time tarnished with rust. Worn and weary, shadows it cast, a whisper of glory, a song from the past. But oh, can you see it shine through layers of grime? Oh, it still has its prime. Bright again, bright again, bright again. Turn the wheel, let the years spin. Roll Bakelite, from Bakelite dreams to a glow so fine. Bright again, this old lamp of mine. This old lamp of mine. The shade is faded, the threads unwind, the wires are brittle, but I don't mind. Beneath the scars there's a story untold, a light waiting patiently, warm and bold. I'll polish the base, smooth every crack, bring its golden glow roaring back from a forgotten corner. It'll rise anew, a beacon of time, a memory in view, bright again.
Now it's time for a little safety tip when it comes to rewiring an old lamp. So I changed the 2-conductor wire on this lamp, and I turned on the switch, and the light sort of worked. I had to kind of fiddle with the switch in order to get the light to stay on. So I turned the light off, but I did leave it plugged in. When I came back about a half an hour later, I smelled something burning. It was plastic. I immediately unplugged the lamp. I took the socket apart, and when I did, here's what I found. There was burn residue all over the metal and plastic. Now, this could have turned into a fire. My tip to you is that unless your old lamp switch works perfectly, swap it out. If it's questionable, replace it. If it does work perfectly, then what I would do is leave the lamp on for a while, not unattended. And if the switch is fully functional and there's no burn odors, you should be good. I quickly ordered a new switch on Amazon and it arrived the following day. 2 for $10.
I'll polish the base, smooth every crack, bring its golden glow roaring back from a forgotten corner. It'll rise anew, a beacon of time,